what is happening. We're open up here in about a minute 40. Market's unchanged to up slightly. Obviously, the big piece of news today is going to be FOMC. We're going to get a little bit of trade perhaps early on. People are going to square things up and wait and see. A rate cut is 100% priced in from the Fed Fund futures. It's a matter of is it going to be a 50 or a 25 bip. Right now, they are pricing in a 22% chance of a 50, and then it'll also be about the trajectory of everything moving forward. Are we going to get 3 this year total? Only 2? What does 2020 look like, etc. And then, of course, the question and answer, or press conference, whatever you want to call it. Outside of that, we had Apple earnings. That's we'll watch that for stuff. But I would not expect a ton of trade before 1 o'clock. Hopefully, things shake up a little bit and we can get some trades in that way. But we'll see. We're opening up in 30 seconds here.